Hi everyone, it's Matt here from Greatness Everyday, and in this video I'm excited to share with you and challenge you to think about what your ideal week looks like. And the idea first came to me when I was watching an interview between Joel Brown and Amanda Bucci, who are both very successful internet entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs in general, and they're having a conversation. One of the things Joel had asked Amanda was what she does during her kind of like weekly rituals. And she was talking about how she schedules out and plans her days in advance, really to kind of be the most productive that she can be. And that makes sense. I can speak personally. I love scheduling things in. It's one of the ways that allows me to get so much stuff done between all of the other things that I have to do. But then I ask myself that question, what does my ideal week look like? And to be honest, I had a really hard time answering that. And there's a few reasons for that, but it got me thinking, what does my ideal week look like? And how do I fit everything in that I need to do between the stuff that I have to do and the things that I want to do and the things that I'm aspiring to do? So I thought this would be a very good video topic that we could chat about today. And I think that this video topic is really important because if you want to create freedom or create comfort, you need to know what you're looking for and you need to know what you want in order to create it. So in this video, hopefully by the end of it and after you do some reflection, you'll know what your ideal week looks like. In my opinion, it is especially important for people that are entrepreneurs or self-employed. Maybe it's your side hustle that you're working on. It's really important to schedule out what you have to do in order to get everything done. So this is my challenge and my activity for you today in this video. I want you to go ahead and after I outline some of the things that I think you should build into your schedule, go ahead and physically write it down. Write down what your schedule looks like Monday to Sunday and figure out how you can get everything done. And so there are many things that you have to kind of work into your schedule. Some of them may apply to you, some of them might not. I'm going to give you an overview right now. So the very first thing that I have to schedule in for me personally is I have to schedule in my job. I have to schedule in my work. I am a high school teacher, a job that I absolutely love. It takes up a lot of time, obviously, being in the public school system, but it's something I love and I'm always enjoy going to work every day. But it's something I obviously have to build into my schedule as my primary focus. It's my job. It's what I'm paid for. That is a big part of my week. So go ahead and schedule in any work commitments that you might have. That might be different for you than it is for me and different for somebody else. So personalize this information for you. You might be the person that can work 4 hours in a day, or maybe you're working 12, 16-hour shifts, depending on what your work system is. Another thing you need to think about scheduling in, and it's different for everybody, is I'm going to say family time. So depending on where you're at in your life, if you have a family or you have extended family, I would definitely encourage you to make family a priority. It's some of the things that I value in my life, and I hope that you do too. After that is something like social time. Social time is extremely important for us. Everybody has kind of different needs socially, if they're introverted or extroverted, or they have certain events they want to go to. Social time is extremely important to build into your schedule and understand that it works different for everybody as well. And now it's time for my favorite one, and that is exercise. I think that anybody that knows me would definitely say this is the case. And exercise is extremely important for me because it's my way to process the day. It's my day to kind of relieve any stress or prepare for the day ahead. I like to exercise in the morning sometimes. I like to exercise in the evening. But people that know me know that I prioritize exercise just because of so many positive benefits of it. Along with exercise and making sure that kind of we can be at our peak performance every single day, is we need to prioritize and schedule in rest into our schedules. And I really think that a lot of people, especially in the business entrepreneurship world, really don't value rest as much as they should. Now, rest can be different things. It can be kind of you're sleeping, obviously. It can also be kind of going to the spa and taking a mental rest and a physical rest. It could be something like going for a walk where you kind of get exercise and a nice easy walk, rest combined. It could be something like taking a day trip somewhere with somebody that you love, or many different other things. So go ahead and schedule rest into that as well. And then I'm just going to open it up here and I'm going to say, along with all of these things, there are so many other things that we have to schedule in. Some people volunteer, some people do a variety of different things. So make sure that you build these things into your schedule. And there's no way for me to cover all of the different things that you have to do and you are either committed to do professionally or socially or through family events. So these are 6 of the things that I definitely think when I look at my schedule are the big things that I schedule in: work, family, social, exercise, rest, and just the various other commitments that come up. And sometimes they come up unexpected. So that's another important thing to do as well, is be flexible. And in the end, all of this stuff, that's probably a good rule here. You've got to go ahead and you have to be flexible because things happen. Things change. Things don't go as planned. Or at the other time, instead of thinking of that as a negative thing, think of it as a positive thing where something really neat and interesting and an exciting opportunity could come up for you. And if it's not built into your schedule, you might miss out. So remember, going ahead and making your ideal week schedule in advance is going to be something that can really help you stay more productive and more focused and really build in everything strategically into making sure that you get everything done that you want to accomplish. And I want to hear from you. Do you schedule your week out in advance? Let me know down in the comments below, and I'd be happy to hear from you. So there you go. There's another video. I hope that it helped you and you found value in it. If it did, please be sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram for daily inspiration and encouragement to live a great life. You can also visit our website at www.greatnesseveryday.online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.